Tough Tractors here. We have a Mitsubishi D1650 FD. Super nice tractor. This is a compact tractor. It's 4-cylinder diesel. Most compact tractors are 3-cylinder, even 2. This is a 4. So it sounds super smooth. Low hours on it. It's only got 433 hours on it. It's got a new seat. It's 4-wheel drive. There's a 2- and 4-wheel. It's got 4-speed PTO. It's got 3 gears plus 3 drive gears, so 9 forward speeds. Rear tires are pretty nice, brand new front tires. Been completely serviced. Has a new loader on it. It's a 4-foot bucket. I know the headlights work. You see, 4-cylinder diesel. Pretty good shape. It's got a little surface rust here and there. Like I said, it's been completely serviced. There's no oil leaks. Doesn't blow smoke. Go ahead and start it up. You see it's 4-cylinder. This hasn't been taken apart and painted in Vietnam and spray painted the engine and everything else. There's a lot of YNMs out there. Those are Yanmars that were purchased by the Vietnamese, and they take them apart, they paint everything, put them back together, and they sell them as a YNM. So anything you see in the United States as a YNM has been completely taken apart, painted. They paint over the rust, they put Bondo on holes, paint the engine, paint everything else, and it looks new, but you don't know what you're getting. This is a Mitsubishi. What you see is what you get. Hasn't been painted. Good shape. Like I said, it's a 4-wheel drive. The thing about the Mitsubishis, they have a nice front wheelbase on them, wide wheelbase. So they're pretty sturdy. Shown here with our optional J-bar box scraper, which are brand new. That bucket will lift up about 700 pounds over about 7.5 feet high. So here it is again. It's a Mitsubishi D1650 FD, 4-cylinder diesel. So if you want to see this tractor, any other ones that we have, go to our website, ToughTractors.com. You can see our brand new box scrapers there, post hole diggers. We get some backhoes every now and then. So that's ToughTractors.com, TOUGH Tractors.com.